the correct answer will completely shock you. So most of you guys solved this wrong. Okay. So the question is 7 divided by 7 divided by 7 divided by 7. You guys solve it like this. This is how you guys solve it for doing this in an easy way. So the answer just comes, but this is wrong. This method is wrong. Okay. This method is wrong because according to order of operations, we use PEMDAS rule. P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, then division, A for addition, S for subtraction. And we solve from left to right. Here, this is the case of division. So we have to, so the right method is this. We have to solve them from left to right. So this is how we will solve them. First this, the answer come out be 1 divided by 7 divided by 7. Then this, we will solve this one. 1 divided by 7 equals to 1 upon 7 divided by 7. Then the answer that comes out, it would be 1 upon 49. This is the correct answer.